Adiat. I'm a mom of two and I have one husband too. Welcome back to my channel as well. So today I'm going to rearrange the kids' snack station. My kitchen is not the biggest and I have limited space. So currently their snacks is in one of the drawers over there. But I need that space so bad. So I've decided to create a space in here, the kitchen island. Usually this is our breakfast stuff, but I've decided to create a space. So this is going to be breakfast and snacks, everything here. And I got some lovely jars. So let's arrange together. This from B&M stores. So if you're in the UK, there's B&M. Guys, I got the basket from there as well. And so this is washed. I washed them all already and I just left that in there just so it could soak up all the water. So I'm gonna arrange all the cookies, the biscuits and everything. They're going to be in here. So I got six jars and 2 baskets. Yeah. This is also from B&M and I paid £5 for that. This is great size because I could put the juice and some crepes in it as well. And then also this is clean. So guys, I'm gonna start off by arranging the cookies first. My babies, they love this one. I think every child does. And yeah, so watch. So guys, I am going to transfer the crisps into this so you can have a look. So guys, the next thing I'm arranging is our cupcakes. This is where I store the cupcake already anyway. I'm just going to, and it's really nice because it's hair tight as well. And rather than having that, just save me. Look at that. Hair ties, and then very handy for them as well. Easy to open as well. Just my little boy loves jelly, my girl doesn't. So this is just for him really. Places makes me laugh about. And I've finished arranging everything. So here we have the cupcake and all the cookies. And now, guys, please don't laugh at me. Oh, everything is gonna go in here with our cereal and stuff, but it's really messy right now. Don't laugh. So I need to arrange here. Our medicine baskets. I think everybody with kids have the medicine basket. And over here as well. It makes total sense when you're next to me. Hi guys, hi! So now on to the end of today's video and I really hope you enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed putting it all together and arranging and everything. So guys, please continue to share, like, comment, spread the word and oh yeah, so please do let me know if there's anything else you want me to do or if there's anything you would like to know. Just comment below and I'll do that. Hopefully the next video is going to be get to know me, so you guys get to know me and get to know everything about Adiat. I can't wait to share it all with you guys. But thank you so much. Please continue to like, share, subscribe. Thank you guys and see you next week.